Thank you.
Wow, I've never seen that before.
Thank you.
Okay, what else is there?
I put them back.
You can leave them out, Ethan.
Okay. Whose present's next?
It.
There's only that one.
This is it. Samba one. Is
Just
it,
recording a video for Ethan.
is it somebody? Who's that one?
Who is it?
Where are you? Mom, where are
I'm
you?
right here. Ethan, what do you need?
I don't see a name on this one.
Okay, well, open the card.
Look.
But open it. Open the card and read it.
Okay, who could it be?
There. Jesse and Zach.
Jesse and Zach. Did these you guys give Ethan a present?
Yes.
Great.
Let's see. Open.
Oh, the top is a zipper of her.
You okay, Jared?
Oh, well, that is
fine.
also a cat.
A cat.
Look at the cat.
Oh my god, that's
Yeah.
hysterical.
Is it true? Is it something else?
It's a hand towel.
It's a cat that's also a towel, Ethan.
Thank you, but it's not really two things. It's not a real cat.
Okay,
Well, no, it's
who
not
else is
real.
left?
Well, you can say it's a cat puppet. It's a cat puppet and
How
a
about the
towel.
big one?
It's a puppet.
Where was it?
That's pretty cool.
Where are the other ones?
It's a puppet.
It's a cuphead?
This?
Puppet. Puppet, not
Yeah.
puppet.
Puppet?
Yeah.
Oh,
This
that's a
one?
cuphead.
Did it say?
It's from me.
You. Oh. A lot of videos. On me. A lot of videos on me.
Check there's something. What is it? It's a kaleidoscope.
Kaleidoscope.
Cool.
Yeah.
You know, you look through it and you can see different shapes, Ethan.
Yeah. Thank you. And what is this more?
Yeah, there's more.
Wow.
Well,
Is that a
It's a
book,
notebook.
Ethan?
Nice to meet you. Pounce on top of
Ethan,
it.
is that a book?
thank
There's
you.
one more in there.
Yeah, there's more in there, Ethan.
Wow.
See, but that one's at 4:15 and then there's a 7:20.
720.
Make it. Open it up. You can do it, Ethan. You can
Come
do
on,
it.
open. What are those?
There's a 6:30
Thank
like
you.
It's the Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous DVD and the Loud House DVD.
Wow, nice.
Thank you.
Oh, you okay?
Yes.
that. Or this one.
Actually,
'Cause that one's an hour long.
Is it this
Black
new
Adam's a
one?
2-hour movie.
Come on.
Wow. Is it? From you. That must be a long DVD.
Who is that from?
From me.
Aww.
I wonder what that is.
Meow. Oh my goodness.
Craft dinner. What
Craft
else?
dinner.
Yeah, we just had craft
Yeah.
dinner.
It's
Subway.
Subway car.
Did that
Ethan.
change or is it just itself?
just an only cup.
Ethan, don't you recognize that cup?
From Walmart?
Remember when we were shopping for a different present?
Yeah. But this one is just itself, it's not something else.
This is the
Ethan.
good Christmas one.
Yeah, it
Ethan,
One more.
where'd you buy that Subway gift card from?
What will I get? What's this?
What's that?
Shirt. Thank you.
Open it up, Ethan.
Do I have to right
No,
now?
you don't have to. You don't
Wow.
have to.
Okay, anyone else who think a present for Ethan?
Did I forget anyone? Where it goes here?
Oh, careful!
These are fragile.
Sorry, I think it's broken now.
No, it's not.
Wait, I hope it's not broken.
What is this? No?
Yeah, someone brought that at the start.
Ouch.
Who's that from?
Jared, is that from you? Because it was here at the start and you came at the beginning. Is that from you? Do you know? Yeah?
Is it? What is this?
It looks like
Sharp knife.
Thank you.
a sharp knife.
Yeah.
Multi-tool.
Oh, be careful.
Yeah.
Not to cut yourself. Ouch.
Good one.
What, Ryan?
I got myself
Pocket knife.
Hey.
I got my own pocket knife from Victoria.
Riley.
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 Hi, Riley.
Riley.
Hi, Riley.
Nice knife.
Oh,
Necklace.
Rylan.
Oh,
Riley.
that's your new nickname.
Riley.
That's what I got. Any more?
Yeah, it's Riley.
Delta.
Any more? Is this
Hi,
it?
Riley.
Hi,
Riley.
There's only 2 more to go.
This? This it?
Sun God Rec Center. That's a Delta.
Does it say?
Who's it from?
Anyone? Oh, I don't know.
Do you know who it's from, Ethan?
It doesn't say. Rubbish.
Is it from Rylan?
Rylan, you?
No, I gave you my gifts when I came in.
I don't know. Do I
Oh.
open it?
Maybe April, is it?
No, April's already.
Do I open it now?
Is it Kelly?
No, I just did it.
I guess so, Ethan. Maybe. Was it from Betsy?
Whoa.
Betty, you have
Must be because he's.
It's from me again.
That's from a Betty.
Oh, thanks. Is that all? No.
What?
I think that's all.
Hey, listen!
Thanks. I think that's all.
My card.
Okay, that's a wrap.